Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to force restart your Redmi 14C. So let's say for instance you encounter issues with slow performance or you have software issues on your device. Force restart can simply fix those issues. Now, if you'd like to force restart this particular phone, all you have to do is press the power button and the volume up button and hold it until the screen goes dark. And then once the screen goes dark, you can release the button and that will restart your device. So press and hold the power button and the volume up button. So press and hold. And then you see the power menu, ignore it, keep pressing until the screen goes dark, and then release the buttons. You'll feel a slight vibration and that will restart your device. So that's basically it on how to force a restart on the Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.